Yeah, my
So,
name is Srujita. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my graduation in stream of computer science of engineering,
okay.
and I love gardening, cooking, dancing,
My God,
and
that's great.
I love social services. That's it, simple.
Okay. Yeah, but your simple is nice. Good. Good to go, Sujita. Great. Great to know about you. Okay. I can't hear you, Sujita.
Where are you from?
I'm from Varanasi.
Okay, nice.
Varanasi, yes, I'm from Varanasi. Right. So, Sujita, is it okay for you to discuss about the topic that has been sent to you through email? You must have received a topic. So, is it good that we can talk about the topic, or do you want to talk about something else?
Yeah, okay. Okay,
That
I have seen document goals topic.
Yes, yes. And would you also like me to tell you at the very end of the session if you want any kind of feedback from me? Would you also like to get a feedback?
Yes, I would like to
Or
get.
a feedback, right? All right then. So we all know the topic now. We both know it's about goals. So I just want to start with a very basic question. What comes to your mind when somebody says goal? Other than the football goal, what else does come to your mind when you hear the word goal?
Yeah, actually, I have many goals. I feel like every wish like a little goal, small goal or big goal, but I wish like a goal. And in my mind, I have many goals, but yeah, uh, some are successful or some still pending. But it's okay. I will try my level best, and setting goals is very important in everyone's life because in this busy world, definitely we have to achieve our goals for good life,
True.
because when we achieve our goals, definitely we will live in luxurious way, and we
Hmm.
will what we like, and
Right.
yeah,
It would be
most.
better to set goals.
Yes,
It
yes.
would be better. Okay. Okay. Can you give me another word for the word goal? Synonyms? Any other word for the word goal? We always say goal, goal, goal. Is there any other word that comes to your mind? Which is
Dream.
okay. You're close enough. Any other word?
Ambition.
All right. Any other word? I'll give you 30 seconds to think. Any other word
Any other word
which
goals?
can which you can use in place of goal.
uh, no idea.
Okay, so we can use the word aim.
Yeah, yeah.
We
Aim.
can, yeah, we can use the word objective.
Yeah.
We can use the word target.
Target. Yes.
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 Sorry.
Right. Challenges.
Challenges would be very far from the goals because challenges they do come when we are trying to reach our goals. That's true. That's a part of the journey when you come across challenges. But if you have to give another word to, let's say, goals, then I think objective, aim, target, these are the words that you see when you meet any salesperson. They always said, oh, I had this target. So they have this objective that they have to meet these figures when they go into sales.
Like the main objective is the main aim is, yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
So yes. So in layman's language, we always say, no, this is my destination. This is my aim. This is where I need to be. This is where I want to reach. Right. So that's our intention. That's our destination. That's the intention we start our goal with. For example, there is somebody, let's say there is a guy who wants a six pack body, Salman Khan body. What would he do? His first objective would to have change in his lifestyle, eat healthy food, drop junk food. So what is his aim? To get that six pack. And what would he do? That journey, he will find challenges. It will be difficult for him to reach that goal. Some days he will feel lazy. Some days he will be feeling tempted to eat something nice. So that would be again a challenge, what you said, which is right. So
yeah.
so the journey would have challenges, but the aim is to get that target. We have to achieve that target, right? right?
Yeah.
So that is just a small example where you can use the word goal in different ways, in different scenarios, right? All right. Now, Sujita, tell me, do you think that parents should help children in achieving these goals? Do you think parents can help children in achieving these goals or targets, or children should take help of their parents in achieving these targets?
Yeah, I think most of the children may not be getting support from parents because of their financial situations or their lifestyle. But
Hmm.
in my view, every parent should take responsibility to support their childrens, and uh, every, every parent have to take perfect decision in their children's life.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what you think. All right. Okay. So, Trilita, do you think, do you find it very challenging if you set a goal, or do you think that no, if you set a goal, it's easier for you to follow? Or do you get a bit nervous when you have to reach a goal? How is it? When you have to achieve a goal, what do you feel?
um yeah, I already told you, uh my every little wish, I feel like my dream, my aim,
Okay.
my goal. Is it
And were you able to achieve any of your dreams?
Yeah, I love acting field, and
Yeah.
recently I acted in Telugu serials, and
Nice.
I love to do dubbing also. So
Okay.
I received many compliments about
Dubbing
my,
is a great skill.
yeah, about my voice. So yeah, but not possible still not possible.
Lovely.
Definitely I will try. I am waiting for my that chance.
Great, great. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the very best in whatever you achieve in dreaming, and your success and everything that you should get it. Okay, now Srijita, what are your short-term goals? There are two kinds of goals that everybody has. One is like a short-term goal, one is a long-term goal. So what's that one short-term goal that you have in your mind right now?
Right now, whatever it may be, in any situation we have to handle with our beautiful smile. That my short term goal.
That's wonderful. And what's your long-term goal? What's a
long term
long-term goal?
uh, Long term goal, I love social services. I love to help needy people. So
Okay.
if I get more money in my life, definitely I will help to need people.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's really really nice. Ah, good. So now, in case if I ask you, what's your next goal? You have achieved your educational goals. You have studied so much. So, is there any other kind of goal except for your education and career? Is there any other goal?
Yeah,
What you're looking at?
present I'm not doing any job. Yeah,
Okay.
simply now my goal is getting job, and
Okay.
I'm trying.
Okay. Do you think that people should also think about fitness goals as well?
Yes, I set
Yeah.
some fitness goals also, but
Yeah.
uh,
Are, are you
sometimes
into
I'm
yoga?
very lazy to achieve that goals.
Right. So are you into yoga? Do you practice yoga or any such thing
Sometimes I do yoga whenever I feel bored in evening times.
in
Morning
evening time?
times not possible for me.
Right. Okay. Okay. Now, there is this very interesting question that I have for you. Because we keep talking about independence, and then we also talk about goals and achieving goals. So there is this very interesting question that I'm going to ask you. Is that, do you feel that women should have some kind of financial goal as well? Do you think women should also have financial goal just to become independent financially? Do you think they should have goals?
Yeah, women can become financially independent, but uh, if we more independent ourselves, definitely we don't care others' opinions in our personal life. So
Mhm.
I, that is not much more important, because when we become financially strong,
Okay.
definitely sometimes we forgot our ethics.
All
So
right.
sometimes we don't give any respect to other opinions also. Like our sorry, I don't know about it.
No, no, it's okay. I want you to express just the way you want to.
Now, okay?
Yes, yes, it's okay now. You were saying something and the voice cracked. Would you like to repeat it?
Yeah. When we strong in sorry, I
No, no,
forgot.
please. It's
Uh,
okay. You can start from wherever you want to. Doesn't matter.
yeah. I think uh, every woman should strong in independent life, but
Okay.
but not much important, because
Hmm.
when we more independent financially, we don't give respect to our partner decisions. Maybe depends on situations or depend on their way of thinking. So
Hmm.
recently, I saw many incidents about this kind of situations in TV channels and real life situations also.
Okay.
So that's why I said this opinion.
Right. So basically, you want to have women or even men to have that kind of balance that, you might get independent financially, but do not forget to, respect your family members' opinion or anybody else's opinion. So also do take that into your criteria. I mean, you can achieve goals, you can go much up and higher, but, stay grounded and, respect people. So do not forget that just because you become financially independent doesn't mean that, you wouldn't care about others. That's what you wanted
Yes,
to say. Yes, I got your point. Which is, I really appreciate the way you had put it and your thoughts, because that shows that how thoughtful you are. So that's a very nice thing about you that I learned, that it's a very good and something at your age, a person who thinks that yes, financial independence is important, but then there should be enough balance between the two, which is very good. So I really really appreciate this idea of yours. Okay, now one last question to ask you. If you find somebody who is not able to achieve their goals and they are very depressed or sad, what one piece of advice you would like to give them so that they can achieve their goals and do not feel disheartened or sad? What would you tell them?
yeah, I see a lot of I gave motivation to my friends also. Sometimes
Okay.
even I felt very depressed and alone and feel very sad
Right.
because I don't know sometimes what is I questioned myself, what is this life and what's going on, what uh, what I'm doing in every
Right.
day.
Right.
But definitely everyone have some time to achieve their goals.
Right.
We have to move on with a strong
Hmm.
mindset,
True.
and we have to move on very very positive thoughts,
Yeah. Yeah.
and we don't give negative thoughts to our heart,
Hmm.
because everyone are
Yes.
giving advices and some motivation also, but
Yes.
sometimes we just listen and forget.
Yes.
And we our decision is important, what
Right.
you are giving to your heart. So give
Hmm.
positive thoughts and strong mindset to your heart,
Heart.
and definitely one day we will achieve our goals, definitely.
Great, great, Sujita. You already sound like, one guru who understands how to achieve goals. So you wouldn't need any kind of advice or suggestion, that I have a feeling for. So with that, we actually come to, the end of our session. You see, 15 minutes just fly off. So we didn't come to even know about it.
Very happy to talking with you because I'm very exciting to know your questions.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
very happy.
thank you, Srijita. I take that as a compliment. Thank you so much. Thank you. It also gives me a motivation, when I meet a learner, then I can give them, various kinds of questions so that they can express their innermost thoughts in a very simpler way, in a very layman's language, just the way we can connect with each other one to one. So that your saying such a thing gives me what a wonderful motivation. So thank you. This means a
God,
lot to me.
talking with you, I'm very happy because sometimes questions are really very boring in
Yes.
some particular situations or sessions. But
Yes.
you are asking very unique questions. I'm very, very excited to know about your questions. I don't
Yeah.
know my answer also, but
You
I'm
have put your answers in a very nice way, I would tell you. For your age, you are very, very expressive, and please take that as a feedback. You're a very thoughtful person. You're very expressive. You have a lot of, you are taking feedback in a very positive manner, but you have a very mature outlook towards life. That tells me when you are putting your opinion across, about these various questions. That is for one. Two, Sujita, about you is that, when I talk to you, I feel that you have a lot of great ideas in your mind that you want people to understand and hear. So they becoming your audience. Again, wonderful. The only thing that I feel that you need to work upon is speaking, talking, just the way you are talking to me, uh, just carefree. All right, because when you are talking, I feel that there are only a few of the grammatical mistakes that you are making somewhere, which will get corrected. Grammar is not something, see, grammar is very important to form a firm foundation if you want to speak any language, especially English. But then there are times when you cannot teach somebody grammar as such, but when they keep listening and hearing, it automatically gets corrected. So I think you just need to have one to one conversation. The more you have conversations, the more it will get polished. That's it.
uh,
Otherwise, again, honestly speaking, I see a lot of potential in you, because any learner can have potential in them if they have a positive mind to take a feedback and work on it. Just like the way you said that you do acting, so you do your takes and retakes and dubbing, and you dub again when you feel that, okay, this is not good, this is not great, I have to achieve that again, goal. So that's how you reach there, right? So
yes,
that's, yeah, so that's how. And just keep practicing, try to be in the sessions, keep talking, have conversation even with your friends, try to make a kind of environment. If there is nobody, mirror yourself, just the way actors also do mirroring. So there is a concept of mirroring. Mirror yourself, talk to yourself in English when nobody is seeing, close the door, just do it, it'll help you. So that's the easiest way, or one tip and trick that I can tell you to work on yourself. And you have a very, very beautiful smile, so keep smiling. It's a very, very infectious smile. So keep smiling and keep infecting others with your smile. Okay,
yes,
great. All right, Sujita. And with that, we come to an end of this session. You have a fun filled day ahead. Take good care.
yes, yeah.
Okay?
They
Okay.
start with beautiful session, and I'm now very, very happy.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm really happy that your day started on a good note. So have a fun filled day. All right. Okay. Bye bye,
Okay,
Sujita. Thank you
bye.
so much. Bye bye. Bye bye.